Today we will talk about how to remember the glandular involvement in men's syndromes or multiple endocrine neoplasia syndromes, in which there is simultaneous occurrence of tumors involving a number of endocrine glands. First of all, you have to remember two chromosome numbers, chromosome number 10 and chromosome number 11. Men1 is caused by a gene mutation on chromosome number 11, 1, 11, and men2A to B are caused by a gene mutation on chromosome number 10. Men1 is classically associated with pancreatic, parathyroid, and pituitary tumors, although other glands may be affected. So men1 has 3 Ps. Men2 has 2 Ps, and men2B has 1 P. The rest of them all start with M. So in men1 there is pituitary adenoma, parathyroid hyperplasia, and pancreatic tumors. In men2A there is parathyroid hyperplasia, pheochromocytoma, and medullary thyroid carcinoma. In men2B there is pheochromocytoma and medullary thyroid carcinoma, which is also in men2A, and it also has mucosal neuromas and marfanoid body habitus. One important thing which you have to remember here is that there is no involvement of parathyroid glands in men2B. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.